Hey there, it's Kevin from Simplicity. Thanks so much for watching. Term insurance used to be one of those things you just had to do for clients, right? Like you never enjoyed doing it. They didn't like it, you didn't like it, nobody got paid well for doing it. And on top of it, the industry forced you to use this like clunky, outdated platform like iPipeline or iGo eApp, which nobody enjoys using. Doing the old way, it meant you had to like get the client on the phone. You had to spend an hour slogging through all these tedious application questions and asking them the same thing over and over and all these invasive medical questions. It was a massive waste of your time, and it was a terrible experience for the client. Thankfully, that has all changed. So through Simplicity, you now have access to LifeLink, which is our proprietary term insurance platform that solves these most important problems. It is by far the easiest platform to write life insurance because it allows you to take yourself out of the application process. So here's how it works. All you do is you log in, you run a quote, it takes less than a minute, and you can email the quote directly to the client. They're going to open a beautiful looking professional email. They're going to review the quote. They can even make changes to the death benefit and make changes to the premium. And they can click a link and it's going to take them straight to the application that they're going to fill out all by themselves on their own time and in the privacy of their own home. But LifeLink does something else that those other platforms just don't. It doesn't sort by the cheapest premium. It actually sorts by our proprietary Simplicity score that's based on how easy is it to get a policy from this company. We all know the cheapest company is usually the worst company to actually work with. It'll show you how to get it approved, which one's going to be the quickest, and you'll immediately see which carriers are going to offer instant decisions, what their approval rate is for accelerated underwriting, or how often they're going to order medical exams or lab work based on our own internal statistics. And on top of it, if you want to be entirely hands-off, you can even send the client your own custom quoting page, and they can do it all by themselves. They run the quote, they pick their company, they pick the face amount and the premium, they do the application, you literally do nothing at all. That's how easy it is. So long gone are those days of sitting on a phone for like an hour filling out a term application. I remember those, it was horrible. So if you register below for LifeLink today, you can get your time back by using a better term insurance platform. Thank you so much.